Leviathan studio where we do our yearly Poi retreat. It's amazing, consider coming. But we're going to talk about this, this floor roll. We're going to learn it Poi going clockwise, so they're going to the right. And you need to be able to do a really controlled horizontal buzzsaw with the right elbow up, left elbow down, and with the left elbow up, right elbow down, and being able to switch between them. This is the prerequisite. Passing through buzzsaw over the top, passing through buzzsaw under the bottom. First thing is just do a vertical buzzsaw backward with me, so facing the same direction, and let the left poi lead over the top. Then at the bottom, the right leads through, and you get back to where you started. So it's that left poi leading over the top is what we're going to take onto the horizontal plane. The next important thing is what the body does. And this by itself can really take practice. I learned this in a dance class by a Feldenkrais teacher. You start on the ground with your right knee bent. And if you are not flexible enough to sit in this position, it's going to be a little more difficult. And I'm not exactly sure how to solve that. So assuming you can sit like this, you can proceed to the next step. From here, if I bend over that knee and let my arm and then elbow gently come to the ground, I relax and just roll across my back, legs come over the top. And the trick is really when I get this knee comes down, I just relax and keep rolling and let the momentum gently bring me back up. When I show this to people, often they roll down and then they get to hear it and they muscle their way up, and that really won't work. The dance exercise that I learned was all about doing this with almost no effort, where you just relax and just keep relaxing and see if you actually don't do anything. The momentum just brings you back up into the mirror position with the left knee bent. You switch, and you relax down again. One of the tricks is the head. With practice, you can actually learn to very gently lay your head in the ground for a moment. And that helps with relaxing your entire body. You want to be careful with that, to not bang your head into the ground. The floors here are sprung dance floors, so actually that helps with any possible head banging, but be aware. So ideally you want to get to where this is pretty effortless. You just relax, relax, and then watch the arms. As I relax down, the right arm comes to the ground, the left arm's on top, so as I relax, that can draw a circle along the ground, followed by the right arm to get back to here. And that informs which poi is going to lead. So from your horizontal buzzsaw, I've got my left elbow up. That allows you to put the right elbow on the ground. As I start to lean back, that left arm can lead to the other side. And now I'm in a horizontal buzzsaw with my right arm on top. So I switch my legs. The left poi leads under to switch the poi that's on top, and I can repeat. To do this well certainly takes practice. To make it look really good, you want to practice keeping the poi a certain height above the floor to really get a true horizontal plane going. I'm a bit rusty at that. So that's really it. The rest is practice, and especially about allowing everything to move in a very circular arc and starting to keep the horizontal level equal to create a visual plane, and learning to relax, and relax, and relax, and relax. Now from there, I'm sure if any of you, like some of you are break dancers, I bet you can build on this and have a fancier way to roll on the ground with maybe the legs kicking and spinning. I haven't solved that yet, but if you won this up, post a video because I would love to see it.